Of wife number 3 case. The former police sergeant's fight for a new trial turning into the most twisted fight between his 2 defense lawyers. Joel Brodsky and Stephen Greenberg were law partners and both represented Sergeant Drew Peterson at trial. Now, after Peterson was convicted of murder, the 2 lawyer partners went to war against each other. Lawyer Greenberg saying lawyer Brodsky botched the case, and lawyer Brodsky then filed a libel suit against his partner, lawyer Greenberg, and then there is more. Brodsky filed a motion in the Peterson case claiming Greenberg suffers from a severe mental illness known as pathological narcissism. And today, Brodsky taking the witness stand, questioned by Greenberg. So how did that go? Joining us, our legal panel. In San Francisco, former prosecutor Jim Hammer. In New York, former prosecutor John Q. Kelly. And here in Washington, defense lawyers Bernie Grimm and Ted Williams. John Q. Kelly, I had to go first to you, and I had to take a breath before I read that because, and it's not very nice, but we've all been laughing about paragraph 6 in this motion, and it's like, you know, it's not okay to laugh, but this is the most bizarre motion I've ever seen. So take it away. What is this all about?
It's nuts. I mean, it's public fratricide between 2 attorneys who were formerly co-counsel for Drew Peterson. I've never seen more unseemly conduct between 2 attorneys in over 30 years of practice. You've got Greenberg now saying that Brodsky made all the detrimental calls that result in Peterson being convicted. And Brodsky turns around and says Greenberg can't make such a determination because he suffers from a severe mental illness. And these are both guys that are airing this dirty laundry in public. It's
dirty laundry? This isn't dirty laundry. This is insanity. Paragraph 6. Let me read paragraph 6 that Ted and I have been passing back and forth to each other. Part of it says Greenberg resents the attention paid to Mr. Brodsky by the press during the trial of the Savio murder case, as Greenberg's mental illness leads him to believe that only he and he alone is entitled to and worthy of the attention and praise of others. Your turn, Ted.
This is amazing. This should be on some bar exam or in law school. Like John said, this is nuts. I'm shocked that the best interest of the client is not thought of. You can see that these 2 children lawyers, as Bernie Grimm would tell you.
It's so far beyond children. This is insane.
It's amazing.
No, what's interesting, the irony here is somebody cites the diagnosis of pathological narcissism, which applies to all of them. I mean, no one, in everything we had to read tonight, nowhere did Ted and I find Drew Peterson's name in this thing anywhere. This is a guy who's been convicted, who's facing 60 years in prison. And I mean, if the lawyer that tried the case screwed up, then the lawyer post-convicted that lawyer and said, no, you screwed up the trial. Then that lawyer said, yeah, but you stole the client's money. Then the other lawyer, as part of the law firm, said, then you forged my name to it. And he said, she said, I only forged your name because you were beating me up. I mean, it's a reality show.
Let me give Jim the best paragraph. Jim, this one's for you to respond to. This is from the motion. This is 7. Further, Attorney Greenberg, because of his pathological